Hi guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video on this channel. We're gonna play Animal Company today, and my plan is to make more VR games, not only Animal Company. And we're gonna play today some little games with people from public lobbies if they want to join. And I'm with a friend of mine. I really don't know where he is, but there he is. And we're gonna also just troll with some people in pubs. So let's get into it.
This is my iconic skin, and that's your iconic skin.
Yes, but I probably will change this later on. Because we just got this game.
Je moet een eigen computer hebben. Oké, wij gaan nu...
Okay, we are gonna go into the pubs.
Random.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys, do you want to be in a YouTube video?
It looks like old Animal Company.
Do you want to be in a YouTube video?
Kind of.
Okay,
I'm gonna see what the mine looks like. With
Yeah, I know.
it's a YouTube video for this is my first ever YouTube video.
full
So
current without
I'm not that
light.
famous, but you will be in one.
Don't.
Okay,
That's the
come.
Do you have
baddest
this?
idea I've ever heard.
Hey.
Do not.
Do you have this?
Come, join
you
this
have
goat.
this? No.
C.
What? Where the circle?
What?
Just
The code is CA
this?
A.
R
Go.
N.
Hey, white.
Okay, and then O.
The guy of the grappler. Colonel. Right.
Yes. Kom eraan. Okay. So we also got him. I heard from my friend.
You look
that
like
he-
he can talk. My boy Silly Man to shoot. Where you at?
Wait, how many are we?
No, bye. My headset's at 1%. Bye.
Fuck. Do you still want to be in the video? Do you still want to be in the video?
bro. What?
Do you still want to
You
be in the
still want to
YouTube
be in the
video?
video, bro? Yeah. I want to
Okay,
take
come.
pictures.
Then we'll just
No,
play with
not
you.
yet.
Not yet. We're gonna play a game.
We're gonna
Go to
play
the
a
podium.
game. Oh no. Okay, come, bro. Come. Come, bro. 1 second. Go sell something.
Okay.
Bro. Just make a picture of himself. You money making magic.
What the goofy hell was that? Oh, thank you. Okay, now let's make the video. Come.
Come. Wait, I had to put this in my yoke. Okay, do that. No,
I'll go and let you go.
Don't sing.
So the game
Okay,
is
just gonna start
we'll
recording.
use the fuse. You can't do
We
it
need
too
to try
long,
to blow each other up.
but you can't do it too long. Because if you do it too long, you need to explode.
Yo.
Oh,
You know the day bleeds. So.
I'll let him. I'm dead.